I'm going to write a short function to compute Boussinesq I. Let's create a new file, name it Boussinesq I.m. Boussinesq I. Yep. Create a new function to return a value bi. And the name of the function is Boussinesq I. We require m and n value. Now I'm going to write it in bits. So first we need to include psi value. It's a element y square. This dot represents element y square of the m. If it's a number, then it will be a direct square. If it's a array, then it will be applied element wise plus 1. The semicolon tells Octave not to print it. Another thing is a numerator of the term a, so 2 times n dot m dot multiply, so element wise multiplication, square root parenthesis square root of psi, then multiply it with psi plus 1, semicolon, then denominator of a psi plus m square times n square, semicolon. A becomes the numerator of a divided by the denominator. This is the first term. Second term is b, numerator, 2 times m, and then element wise multiplication with n, another element wise multiplication with square root of psi. B denominator equals psi minus m square, element wise multiplication with n square. B equals b numerator, then element wise division with b denominator. Let's make it element wise as well. Now Boussinesq I equals 1 over 4 pi into a plus tangent inverse of b. Let's save it and see if it works. Boussinesq I of 1, 1. Bn is undefined in line 13. Bn is undefined. Yep. So I wrote Bm instead of Bn. Let's save it again. Run the command. Boussinesq I is 2. Why is it printing this answer? Did we forget a semicolon somewhere? Yeah, over here. CLC. Boussinesq I is 0.35. Can we make a plot of it? Let's see. Let m equal 0 to 0.1 and maybe 0 to 10, and equal 0 to 10 as well, so n is also m. Now z equals m comma n equals mesh grid of nm. Okay, should have done that. now Boussinesq I is Boussinesq I of capital N. Let's not print everything to screen again. Okay, it's done here. Let's plot it. Plot 3 and bi. This is m value, this is n value, and then bi value, the contour. This doesn't look that great. Let's plot surface surf of m n and then Boussinesq I. This looks good. So m n value, and this is the bi value, Boussinesq I value. So you can see it's a weird surface. We usually use tables for calculation, but it's good to know the equation as well.